Hey guys, Seth Tim here. So glad we made it to the end of this course together, and I definitely learned a lot of communication aspects that will help me in the future. And anyway, this is my travel bag, and I used to carry this with me whenever I went house sitting or pet sitting in the years before COVID hit. And I know it's probably not what you typically imagine taking with you if you're staying somewhere other than home, but it was able to carry everything I needed, so it worked for me. Now, today I've taken the liberty of placing three items in this bag that are very important to me. And the first thing I have is my car keys. Now, I'm pretty sure I speak for all of us that as teenagers, we all longed for that little slice of freedom that was just a sneak preview of what we have now that most of us have reached adulthood. And for a lot of us, having our first car is an outlet for that freedom. But for me, it's not just about the freedom of having my own personal means of transportation. It's about the fact that these keys give me access to a vehicle that lets me work as a delivery driver for Pizza Hut and deliver meals straight to people's front doors and bring a smile to their faces. And it always warms my heart to see that I can bring just that little bit of joy to people whenever I'm delivering to them through the means of these keys. Next, I have a video game from my PlayStation 4 console. And for so many people around the world, video games provide a temporary window of escape from our daily lives into a world where we can just relax and enjoy being part of a different reality, so to speak. And this is no less true for me. For years, whenever I've had a tough day at work or school, or even under normal circumstances, if I just feel like unwinding for a bit, I'll just switch on my console and play games like this. And gaming is like my own personal retreat whenever I feel deeply frustrated or stressed out, and it really helps me stay sane when life gets hard, if that makes any sense. But I also read online that playing video games helps you burn up to 200 calories per hour. Yeah, I know, right? But it is true. Look it up. And last but not least, the most important item I have is my Bible. And I've been raised in a Christian home, and I'll always be eternally grateful to my parents for raising me the way they have, introducing me to God's Word, and helping to instill in me the biblical virtues of showing kindness to others, even when they mistreat you, and not just thinking of your own needs, but also the needs of those around you. And whenever I feel like I'm in need of comfort or reassurance that everything will be all right, even when the world is weighing me down, I just sit down, open this book, and just let the words of the Lord rejuvenate and strengthen me in the midst of all life struggles. And sorry if I got a little preachy there, but this Bible represents my number one reason for living, and He's made me into the person I am today. And I know that He's always watching over us. Anyway, that's all I have for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope the rest of the semester treats you well, and I hope to have you guys as classmates in another course here at YC sometime soon. Have a good day, guys, and God bless.